MOSFET versus IGBT welders used in tube mill systems. In tube mill systems, welding is a critical process that significantly impacts product quality and production efficiency. Two common types of solid-state welders are MOSFET welders and IGBT welders, each with distinct advantages. MOSFET welders. MOSFET welders are known for their high switching speed and efficiency at relatively low to moderate power levels. They are ideal for applications requiring high-frequency operation, which can help produce cleaner welds and reduce heat-affected zones. However, they are generally limited in terms of handling very high power, and their performance can degrade in harsh industrial environments. IGBT welders. IGBT welders, on the other hand, excel in handling high power and voltage with robust reliability. They are designed to manage large current loads efficiently, making them ideal for heavy-duty tube mill systems producing thick-walled or large-diameter tube. IGBTs also offer improved thermal performance and lower switching losses compared to older technologies. Comparison. Power handling. IGBTs are better suited for high-power, high-voltage applications. MOSFETs are best at lower power levels. Switching speed. MOSFETs typically have faster switching speeds, which is advantageous for precision welding but may be less critical in tube mill systems. Efficiency. Both offer solid-state efficiency, but IGBTs are preferred in larger systems due to their durability and lower conduction losses. Cost. MOSFET welders are generally less expensive but may require more complex cooling and protection systems in industrial setup. In summary, while MOSFET welders may still find a place in smaller tube mills or in precision-oriented applications, IGBT welders have become the preferred choice for modern tube mill systems due to their superior power handling, ruggedness, and overall cost-effectiveness. At Lotus Forming, we have years of experience in manufacturing and consulting tube mill lines. Whether lines that require MOSFET or lines that require IGBT, we can provide professional design and consulting. We will recommend the best option according to your production line needs. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and be sure to write us your comment.